Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the fingerprint sensor with a soft cloth. So it is right here. Now we want to just clean the area on it and around it. And after we're done cleaning it, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and re-register it in the settings. So as you guys can see, it is not working for me. So let's go over and go to settings. Now we're going to go to security and privacy and go to the device unlock. We're going to tap on fingerprint and confirm that it's us. Let's delete the pattern right here. And what are we going to do now is we're going to re-register it. So let's hold and lift again. So let's do that a couple of times. We have to cover the sensor and we have to do it from every single side of our finger so that it scans. Now we have to place the edges and it might take some time, but it should be done soon. Now as you guys can see, the fingerprint has been added and let's test it out. Let's see if it works. It does work, but if it's not working for you, then maybe it's the issue of the screen protector. So I would recommend removing it and seeing if that will fix the issue. Sometimes if your screen protector is just too thick, the screen protector may just block your fingerprint from actually accessing the screen and the fingerprint lock. So make sure to remove it and see if that makes any difference. And as a last resort, go over to settings. And this time we're going to go to system. We're going to tap on system updates. And as you guys can see, my system is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.